Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Leela. So now in this video we will complete the last part of this one. Okay, in today's video we are going to continue build our math game application. So in the previous video we have created our game timer and finished it. Now we are going to finish the last part of the app. So what happens when the user enters 3 wrong answers? So if you try to play this one, so let me run this code so that you can able to understand. So if he has entered 3 times the wrong answer, so what will happen? So what we need to do, so that is nothing but we need to send him to the end screen. So if I have given addition and if I try to do 3 times wrong, so one wrong, and here the wrong, and here also another wrong. So 3 times the wrong, life is 0. So if I click on the next, it is again giving it. So what we need to do, we need to send it to the game over page, result activity, or something like results page. We need to show him the score, what is the score that he has got. So let's do this one. So now if you try to see here, when I am clicking on the next, what is happening? So here life is becoming 0. So what we need to do, we need to open a new page, that is nothing but the results page. On the results page, what we need to show, so we need to show their score, and we will show 2 buttons, that is nothing but play again and an exit button. If the user taps play again, the first page, that is nothing but the main activity page. So this page needs to be opened. And when the user taps the exit, the app should be closed. So that's it. So now let's try to create a new file for this one. So here I am going to into this one. And here let's try to create a new activity. Okay, it's activity, basically it's an empty view activity. And here I will be giving this name result activity. Okay, so result activity. So let's try to have a okay, is everything is fine. So package name, everything is fine. So let's try to finish this one. So do you want to add the following file to the git means? Yes. So fine, so it has been added. So now we are able to see this one. So this is our result activity, and here this is our XML file. And now here I would be taking this game page so that it will be in blue color. Fine, you know that then right, themes thing. So fine, let's go to our code. Okay, here I am keeping this one. I will change it to linear layout. Okay, linear layout, and here I will have orientation. So right now it should be vertical. So this is our orientation which you will be having. And now let's try to have 2 things. So here let's go to the design view, and I will drop the component tree, and here I will be having a text view, and also another one I will be having another text view. And this one, let's go to our attributes, and this one will be congratulations. Okay, so congratulations. So here I would be having like this. Okay, so hey, so this is an ID. Okay, so here okay, let's try to have it. So oh sorry, so this one, so text I would be having is congratulations. So this is the thing, and let's try to make it center gravity, and here I would try to make it as a center. And let's try to increase the text size for this one. So text size is 24 sp, and I would try to make the margin, okay, I will try to give the margin horizontal as 20 sp, and I will try to give the vertical as tsp. Okay, fine. And let's go to the padding, and here I will try to give the padding as 20 sp, anything. Okay, fine. So let's try to have the bold text style. Text style should be bold. Fine, hopefully. And here I would be trying to give your score. So something like this, your score. And here also I will try to give it as a bold, and here I will try to give 24 sp, and I would be trying to make this one as a gravity, and this one also I will make it as a center. So hopefully this one is okay. Margin, and that also I'll try to give. Margin is horizontal, I will give it as in 20 sp, and the vertical also I will give it as in the tsp, something like this. Okay, so now here my padding, I will give the padding also, padding as 20 sp. So fine. So now congratulations, your score. And I will try to add two buttons. So for this one, what I will do, I will take the layout and I will take the horizontal layout and I will drop it at the bottom. And this horizontal layout, in this one I will try to add the buttons. So two buttons should be there. So one is one button and another one is another button. Two buttons are there. Let's go to this linear layout and apply the margin for this one. So margin, so here also margin I would be trying to give it as a 20 sp. Okay, and this one I will give it as an wrap underscore content. Okay, so wrap underscore content, and the button I would be trying to give score button. Okay, id. So last we can give it is, but okay. So here the background I will try to apply the background is, that is nothing but the one thing. And here the text I can give it as an play again. Okay, sorry, play again. So this is the thing which I want to give, and the margin for this one. Okay, so here both of these margin I want to apply. Margin should be something horizontal 10 sp. Okay, so now finished. And this one also I would be trying to give exit, and here it should be exit and refactor this one. And here also the background color which I would be trying to give it is this one. So fine. And for this linear layout, the main linear layout, I would try to give the background color for this one also. So we have the image, right? I would try to give the background image, so this one. So fine, that's it. So now you are able to see the score, your score, and this one. So here I think the margin is there. So here vertical I will remove it. So here I would try to give the top as 30 sp. Okay, otherwise margin, where is this one? Layout margin, where it gone? So this one should be there, right? Yeah, so 30 sp instead of 30 sp top I will try to give. Yeah, fine. So fine. So now this is our thing. Now we have designed our page. So let's go to our Android manifest.xml file, and here this is the relay, and the team page which I want is the game page only, and here I apply this one. So fine. Now let's go to our game activity, and here, so we are trying to button OK. So when we click on this button OK, or when the user clicks on this next button, okay, so when the user clicks on this next button, so what we need to do, so here you can write in such a way that if user life is equal to 0, so if it is 0 means then we need to do, or else we need to continue the game. So this is our logic, and here we need to define the logic. So what can I do here? So first of all, when the user is 0, so I need to do toast dot make text. Okay, I can show this one. So application context, so RMBB, and here I need to say game over, and it should be something like toast dot length underscore long dot show. So I'm showing this, and I want to create an intent. Val intent is equal to intent of, so this at the rate main activity. So sorry, so to where we need to move, so where I am there. So right now I am in the game activity. So from game activity I need to move to the result activity class dot java, and I need to send the data intent dot putExtra of score. Okay, and it should be something like user score. So I am sending the data, and here we can start the activity and with the intent, and we can finish. Okay, so that other activities will be closed, so that the user cannot go backside. So now, so this is the thing. Let's go to our result activity. So here in this result activity, let's go to our activity results. So your score, so this one is, so here you need to have score text view. Okay, so this is the id we are having. So this one, and this one is the main thing. And let's go to a result activity, and here we will be having late init where score text view of type text view. So this is of type text view, and late in it where button, sorry, this one is play button, play, let's say play button, it is of type button, and the last one is late in it where exit button which is of type button. So fine, now let's go here. Score text view is equal to find view by id of r dot id dot score text view, and here user, sorry, play button is equal to find view by id of r dot id dot play r dot id dot, it doesn't have the activity underscore result page, play again. Okay, this one is score but not it? Play button. Okay, refactor it, and let's go here, and this one is why it is coming. Let's see, r dot id dot play button. Okay, and here what I want to say is exit button is equal to find view by id of r dot id dot exit button. So fine, so everything is gone. So now let's try to see here. So when the play button, so first of all, what we need to do, score text. So here we need to get the intent value. So here val score is equal to intent dot get int extra of score, comma, so the default value will be 0, and here you can say that score text view dot set text of, so here your score, and here you can add the score value like this. That's it. And here what I can do, next one is play button dot set on click listener, sorry, play button dot set on click listener, and in this one what I can do, it is, so what I can do, it is play button dot set on click listener. So we need to move the content, right? So move the content means I want to say I want to go to the main activity. So here I can do val intent is equal to intent of this at the rate result activity. So from here to I need to go to the main activity class dot java. So now here I can do start activity of intent, and I can do finish. So now another one is exit. So when the user clicks on the exit dot set on click listener, exit button dot, let's go here, yeah, set on click listener. So what I need to do, so just you can do finish affinity, that's it. So it will be closed, the app will be closed. So this is all about the thing. So let's try to refresh this app, and we'll see so whether we can able to see the output or not. So now let's go on to the addition. Okay, I will try to do so I will give the correct answer here. Okay, and let's go to the click. So I will give another correct answer, another correct answer. So okay, so 20 score is there. So now onwards I will try to give the wrong answer. Okay, so life is getting gone, and here, so here one life is there. So here let's go here. So it has went, and the score is 30, and it is saying game over. And if I click on the play again, so we are able to go here, and I will try to give another wrong answers like this. I will give one correct answer. Oh, still is there. Yeah, so your score is 10. So now we are able to see this one, and when I click on the exit, the app will be closed. So this is how we'll be doing it. In conclusion, so what we have did it, so we have completed our Android application using the Kotlin. So what we have learned here in this one, so we have created a new activity, and we have designed the layouts, and we have removed the action bar, we have used the intents, and we have sent the data between the activities, and we have closing the activities properly and handling the game over logic. So that's it. So this is all about this one. So thanks for watching, and take a break if you need to, and I will see you in the next lesson. So we'll try to design another application using the Android. So hope you understood about this concept. So I will try to post this one in the GitHub, and I will try to give you the GitHub link, and I will share it to you in the description. So if you want, you can take a look at this one. So that's it guys about this one. So hope you understood about this one. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you.